Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture, we'll discuss about the isometric view of a hexagonal plane. And the question given here, draw the isometric view of a hexagonal plane of side 30 mm whose surface is parallel to the vertical plane and a side is perpendicular to horizontal plane. And similar kind of question given here also, isometric view of a hexagonal side 30 whose surface is parallel to horizontal plane and side is parallel to vertical plane. Two things, surface is parallel to horizontal plane and side is parallel to vertical plane for this condition. For this condition it is given, the surface is parallel to the vertical plane and side is perpendicular to the horizontal plane. Now you can see if you keep this hexagon in this way, so you can say one of the side, this is one of the side and this is one of the side, okay? This side is perpendicular to horizontal plane. Horizontal plane means we know that this is the horizontal plane is there, okay, and this is your vertical plane. So one of the side is perpendicular to horizontal plane. So how to draw this hexagon in the isometric view? So let's start in the AutoCAD, and so I'll go for the page setup. So for that MB setup, paper space no, and metric scale factor 1, and this 420 and 297. Okay. So here I have created one drawing sheet, and here I have taken a reference line. Now I have to change this isometric view from the orthographic. Now this cursor you can see here, it is showing the orthographic. Now I can change it by clicking the iso draft here, which is means isometric drafting. So I can click on this so that you can see my cursor was changed to isoplane. So it is iso right plane changed. Okay. So before going to change this, let unclick this one and take it to in orthographic view itself. So first let draw this hexagon, and before going to draw this isometric, first we will draw a hexagon, then we'll go for that. So what I'll do is select hexagon polygon here, and the number of sides 6, and edge, and what is the size is there, each side is 30 mm. Okay, now you can see here I have drawn a hexagon. Now what I'll do here, I'll just draw the line, okay, and I'll draw this line in this way. Again in this way I'll draw one line. So my intention is to cover this hexagon within a square, or you can say it may be a rectangle there. So within a box we want to close it. So mostly the box was done. Now the extra part I can go for trimming. Okay, type trim command here, and just we can trim it. Okay, now this is somehow completed. Let's go for the dimension measurement. I will go for the linear dimension. So here we can see the dimension base of the object, how much 30 is there, and we can see the total distance of this 51.96. I'll change it, the draft I'll change it, and I'll go for modify, and here I can go for the text. So symbol as primary units, I'll go for precision 00, and comma I'll change it to period, and I'll go for OK, set current, and I'll close it. Now you can see the dimension of this is 52, and remaining dimensions also let measure it. That means from here to here, obviously it will be 26 only, but let measure this, and similarly from here to here how much, so it is 15. So obviously from here to here also 15 will be there. Okay, and this one we can measure it from here to here, again 26 will be there, mostly there is no difference will be there. Yeah, and okay, now our box is completed. So next we can draw the diagram in isometrically. So for that what I'll do, I'll just click on this iso draft. Okay, now this iso draft is actually taken the right, so isoplane right. So what I'll do, I'll just select this. So here total length and height how much, 52, and here it is 30, 15 will be there here, this side also 15 will be there. That means 60 by 52. So I can select any one line from here, in the right side. So let me take it, how much is there, this is 52, okay, 52, and height is 60, okay, and again 52, again I will come back to 60, enter. Now the next is we need to give some points here, location, some points. That means from here to how much is there, 15, again we can go for 30, enter. Now again same thing here, here it is 15, again I will come back to down 30, enter. Now I will go for point, multiple point I can select it. Here you can see multiple option, point option is there. If I select this one, then I can just mark it one point here, again another point is 30 will be here, end point of this. So similarly here one more point is there, 30, and here one point is there, and similarly one midpoint I can mark it here, and here also we can mark on midpoint. So all these points we have identified here. Okay, the next thing is we need to just, okay, so this is for the we can say right side plane. Okay, similarly we can go for the left side. So for that I will click F5. Now you can see it was changed to isoplane left side. Okay, so I'll just select this, I'll move little bit this side. Okay, okay, it is not moving in this way because we have taken isometrically. So what I'll do, I'll just click in this way, I'll click it here. Okay, now I can select the line here in this way. I'll just select. So what is the height is there here, height I have taken here total 60, so let's take 60, and this side is 52, again it will come 60 down, again it will be, you can say 52, enter. Now similar way we need to mark it again this all these points. So what I'll go, again I'll go select the line. So from here I can select 15 and then 30. Okay, and similarly from here also 15 and again 30. Now I'll just go for again multiple point option, and I'll just select here 15 option, end point is there, end point, and one more end point. Similarly I can select one more end point here, and I can get here on end point, and here you can give them midpoint also. Midpoint is not required, easily you can identify. Now we need to draw the hexagon here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just change the color of this, and I'll go for the thickness also, and let's select the line. Now just we need to join it, that's it. Select this, go for this one, this one, this. Okay, this is isoplane, that means left side, isoplane left side. Similarly we will go for this one, right side, just in this way we'll go. Okay, now you can see both the hexagon completed in two different views, in the iso left and iso right, this way and this way. Now the remaining things we can mark the point like A, B, C, D, all these things we can mark it. The text need to be given everywhere, so text also you can mark it. Okay, so here, so text is very easy, we know that very easily we can mark it everywhere. So we'll go for A point, and this is B, and this is B, and this is C here. Here also you can mark C. This is D point, similarly D point here, and here E point, F point, and here E and F. Okay, remaining all these boxes we can mark also. PQRS, that one we can mark it. So here we'll give P, and this is Q, this is R, and this is S. Similarly here also you can mark it P, and this is Q, this is R, and this is S point. And later on we need to mark the dimensions also. So dimension, I'll change this, I'll go for normal, we'll go for the align dimensions. Now see the dimensions here, what is given. Actually linear also you can take it. Okay, so 30 anyway, so 30 is there because that is the side is given 30 mm. So this one, let's measure it from here to here, how much is there. It is visible 52 is there, so keep it in this way. And this height is 60, so here also 60 is there, and this one 52, and this is our one side of the hexagon. Here also you can consider one side of the hexagon, and these things you can take 15, and this is also 15 is there. Similarly here also you can measure. Now select this, it should be in the same line. Okay, so these are the dimensions, and if you want to give the angle of this, also you can mark the angle of this line and this line, and similarly ISO left side and the reference. Okay, 30-degree angle is there. So this is all about the one side, like for this ISO left and ISO right, when the hexagonal plane is parallel to vertical plane and side is perpendicular to HP. Similarly, for the other condition of this hexagon, we can see the surface parallel to horizontal plane. The surface should be parallel to horizontal. Is already parallel to horizontal plane. We know that this is our vertical plane and this is our horizontal plane, suppose. Okay, and now for this condition, this surface is parallel to the horizontal plane. Okay, and one side is parallel to vertical plane. So you can see this is the side is there that is parallel to the vertical plane. For this condition also same thing, side is given 30, and we need to first draw this hexagon. That hexagon need to be drawn in that way, in this way. Then we need to draw a box surrounding to this one. Then we just measure the distance from here to here, and from this one to this one. Then we can go for the ISO top, also we can mark it here. Now see, ISO top I have taken, and if you want to measure here, we can go for it also. So suppose this is given, if you want to take 52, take 52, and this side is 60, we can go for 60, again 52, again it will come 60. So in this way again we can mark it, that we can take the distance from here to here, how much. Okay, so let's take from here to 15, then again 30. Okay, and here it is, you can say 26. Okay, leave it, Control Z. Then we can give the point of this, each point here. The point is not identifying. Okay, let me one more time, let me give it. So here we'll take it how much, 15, and one more time 30, enter. Okay, now point. Okay, yes. Okay, similarly here also actually we need supposed to be visible. Yeah, I don't know why it is not visible here, but maybe it was not taken. Again we can draw. Okay, 15, again in the straight we can go for 30, enter. Then point. Here I am not taking the multiple points, I given the point. Now again I can select this line, and I can just increase the thickness, go for the line selection, and take this midpoint, select this, go for it, and this is the midpoint of this, select this one. Okay, this is the ISO top for the hexagon for this one. And similarly this also can be done in the same similar way methods. So I hope you understood how to draw this one, the hexagon in the isometric view. If you are having any kind of doubts regarding this, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.